So you just finished a delicious apple and you're staring at the seeds, wondering, could I actually grow a tree from this? Most people will say it's a waste of time, but they're only half right. In this video, I'm going to show you the journey from a single seed to a home orchard and reveal the secrets to doing it yourself. Now, growing an apple tree from seed is a fun experiment, but there's a catch. That Honeycrisp seed won't grow a Honeycrisp tree. Apples don't grow true to seed, so you'll get a totally unique, brand new apple variety. It's a genetic lottery, and this journey is all about embracing that surprise. It all starts with a ripe, healthy apple. Collect the seeds and give them a good rinse to get all the pulp off. Now for the most important part, tricking your seeds into thinking they've been through winter. This is called cold stratification. Just place your clean seeds on a damp paper towel, seal it in a plastic bag, and pop it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 months. Check on them weekly to make sure the towel is still moist. Alternatively, you can just plant the seeds outside in the fall about ½ inch deep. After a few months in the fridge, you'll see tiny roots emerge. It's time to plant. Carefully place each sprouted seed root down about ½ inch deep in a small pot with moist potting soil. Keep them in a sunny spot, and once your saplings reach about 1 foot tall, they're ready to be transplanted to their permanent home outdoors. Your unique tree might produce fantastic fruit, or it might be sour or small. This unpredictability is why commercial growers use a technique called grafting. This is where you join a cutting, called a scion, from a tree you love onto a root system, called a rootstock. Your own seed-grown tree can even become the rootstock for a new variety. If your goal is a reliable home orchard, your best bet is to start with 1 to 2-year-old grafted trees. They often use special rootstocks that control the tree's size, and you'll get fruit in just 3 to 4 years instead of waiting much longer. Whether you're planting your own creation or a grafted tree, location is key. Apple trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun and soil that drains well. When planting, dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball. If it's a grafted tree, make sure the graft union, the little bump near the base, stays a few inches above the soil. Mix in some compost, give it a deep watering, and add a thick layer of wood chip mulch. Your new trees will need consistent watering, especially their first year, and a bit of light fertilizer in the spring. If you found this journey from seed to orchard interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more. So while growing from seed is a fun experiment, grafted trees are the way to go for guaranteed results. Either way, there's nothing like harvesting an apple from a tree you grew yourself. What fruit are you trying to grow from seed? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.